In this video, we'll walk you through how to create an account on Docubills. Log in securely and update your profile settings in just a few simple steps. To get started, head to the Registers page on Docubills. Enter your preferred username. Availability is checked instantly. And email address. The system validates these details in real time to ensure everything is set up correctly. Now, create a secure password and confirm it in the field below. Once all details are complete, simply click Register as to create your account. After registering, you'll be taken to the Haus login page. Enter your username and password, then select Das login to access your account. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the Koskixier Docubills dashboard. To manage your account details, click on your name or avatar in the top right corner, then select My Profile. From here, you can update your name, email address, and upload a profile picture. To add an image, select Choose File and upload your preferred photo. Once you're happy with your changes, click Save Profile. You'll see a confirmation message letting you know your profile has been updated successfully. Here, you can quickly view key information such as your your revenue, your paid invoices, and outstanding invoices.